Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog1951. It's March 3rd, 2020. I'm here at Silver Mountain, and I'm on top of chair 3, and I'm going to head down to Silverbelt, North Star. So before I lose you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm going to turn you all around, put you in a homemade pouch, and see how today's video recording goes. Okay? So, the way I do this is I just turn it on, and I'm just going to let the camera continue to record until it runs out of space, and then it will stop. So that's what I'm doing. And so, a couple of these, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a nickel. And thank you very much for taking some time out and checking in with me. Let's go do some skiing. Alrighty then. Take care and stay safe. Here we go. It's going to be bumpy. I'm turning around, putting you in my little case. Here we go. I hope this one works. I broke my tripod yesterday. Or the day before, Friday. And it wasn't working all that great. So hopefully this homemade gadget will work. I was using another one, but it was in a vertical position and to be watched by people on their cell phones or tablets, because you have the large bars on each side. So it's cloudy up here. When I started out, it was sunny, so some clouds moved in, but that's okay. They had an inch or two of snow last night, so it's really nice. I've hit a couple icy spots. That's okay. This will be my third run. I'm still warming up. I didn't do my qigong this morning, so I'm stiff. Okay, gang, here we go. All right, let's go skiing. I don't like to go fast anymore, so you speed junkies will probably leave. But with 2 replaced hips and 1 replaced shoulder, I'm just thankful that I can still get out here and do a winter sport that I really enjoy. Yeah, this feels great. It looks as though they groomed it last night and early in the morning. And then we had just a powdering of snow, say 1 or 2 inches. Really nice. Okay, we're out of the cloud. I wish we had smell-o-vision, because the pine trees are just, oh my goodness, it smells wonderful. Clean air, clean, fresh, crisp air. I'll take that any day. I'm glad I came up. I don't ski on Saturday or Sunday, but I did some work around the house on Sunday afternoon, and I slept like a baby Sunday night. I had to get up in a flash. My little dog was getting sick. He took care of that poor little guy, and that happened 2 nights in a row. And now he's okay. But anyhow, I went back to sleep and didn't get up until 10:30, 11 o'clock, I think. So I didn't come skiing yesterday. I think that there's probably only 100 people up here. There should be a lot more. There really should, under normal circumstances. However, the what's it called, COVID-19, or the virus, that may have something to do with it. I don't know. Who knows? May God bless us all.